Good morning to one and all present here today. It's a pleasant day to start something new and embrace new beginnings. I'm Gibson David.
And I'm Parvati Menon.
Welcome to Magix 2018.
God's grace and believing in His presence always leads bright paths to the perfect destination and success.
I request all to rise for the Tamil Thai Varthu.
Have Magix 2018 on the roll with all of us gathered here today among several respected personalities. Here I invite our beloved Head of Department of Multimedia, Dr. Lakshmi Priya Ma'am, to address the gathering with the welcome address.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, faculty members, staff, and my dear student friends, a very good morning to one and all present here. Everything is cross-platform in the current scenario, wherein which we are going to play with the reality of life in the world of multimedia. So, on behalf of School of Information Technology and Engineering, VIT Vellore, it gives me great pleasure in welcoming you all for the 2-day conclave on multimedia, art, game, and visual effects, together known as Magix 2018, organized by faculty and students of Multimedia Department. So, in this 2-day conclave, we are going to have expert talk, art competition, short film competition, photographic competition. In addition to this, we are going to have virtual reality, the future career. We would like to take this opportunity to thank our management team for giving us a platform to do big things in a better way. I am extremely happy to welcome our Honorable Chancellor, the man of distinct vision, an idol of knowledge, experience, and a great leader, Dr. G. Vishwanathan Sir, whose invaluable guidance is cherished by all of us. We admire his spirit of integrity with 100% dedication to the world of education. You are an inspiration to many of us, sir, and we will continue to remain so. I welcome you, sir, for the event. Today, we are really grateful to have 3 giant media personalities as our chief guests who have accepted our invitation in spite of their very busy and tight schedule. Our chief guest, Dr. R.B. Uday Kumar, who started his career as Associate Director and transformed himself into the most successful director who has worked with leading stars in the industry, including Rajinikanth, Kamal Haasan, Vijay Kant, Prabhu, Karthik, and many more leading actors and actresses. His association and service to film industry made him an eminent personality. We are extremely we are extremely happy to have you join our celebration, sir. I welcome you, sir, for gracing this occasion. Our guest of honor, Mr. Saravanan Rangaraj, a well-known TV director who directed Sun Singer Kids Show, Deal or No Deal, Champions, Savale Samale, etc. He also has done movie promotions for Sun Pictures and 300 plus special episodes with top most celebrities. I welcome you, sir. Our guest of honor, Mr. Gopi Krishna, known to be Thani Oruvan fame editor, the one who has worked in several successful projects at the very early stage of his career. He also worked with many famous actors and actresses and showed his dedication and effort to its best. I welcome you, sir. I welcome all my colleagues, HODs, for sparing their valuable time to come here and participate in this festivity. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome you all faculty members who are residing over here. I welcome you, professors. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome all the distinguished participants who came from various institutions to record their presences in this graceful occasion. I welcome everyone who have been participation for this event, Magix 2018. Last but not the least, I welcome all my faculty and student friends who contributed a lot to make today's function a grand event. I welcome you all for this wonderful. I, on behalf of our institution, welcome all of you for this occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
A ray of light is a ray of hope, leaving the darkness and stepping towards the bright path. Now, I invite our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. G. Vishwanathan Sir, and other dignitaries on the dais to light the lamp and symbolically inaugurate the program.
For this grand and magical beginning, here we now present to you a promo video revealing Magix 2018. I invite the Dean of Science School, Dr. Ashwani Kumar Chirukuri, to address and share his thoughts about Magix 2018.
Good morning, Honorable Chancellor, Dr. G. Vishwanathan, Chief Guest of today's function, Kalaimamani, Dr. Uday Kumar, Guests of Honor, Mr. Gopi Krishna and Mr. Saravanan, the Head of the Department, Dr. Lakshmi Priya, the other colleagues of School of Information Technology and Engineering, the students of Multimedia Program, and in particular, the friends from the GDUT China who are here for undergoing a semester-long course at School of IT at VIT, and other friends, press and media. I welcome you all to this inaugural function of two-day conclave on media, art, game and effects, the Magix. This is the second edition of Magix. We have started this conclave series last year with the blessings of our beloved Chancellor, and the program was a grand success, the last year program. This year conclave is planned in a more grand manner, and I congratulate the HOD and multimedia faculty team for planning and executing this two-day conclave, and which is aimed to provide a platform to our students and also the students from other institutes throughout the country. And this is a platform for them to learn and also to showcase their talent. My sincere thanks to our beloved Chancellor for accepting our invitation to inaugurate this conclave. On behalf of site faculty, students and staff, I welcome you, sir, and thank him for accepting our invitation. His vision, his journey of life, and the way, in particular, the way he is leading his life are all role model for all of us. His commitment, hard work, efforts have made this institute as one of the top-ranked institute in the country. And I'm sure that his vision of making this prestigious institute as one of the top-ranked university in the world will be achieved in a very short span of time. I sincerely thank our chief guest, Kalaimamani, Dr. R.V. Uday Kumar, for accepting our invitation in spite of his busy schedule. Sir, I saw your film, that is the Chinna Gounda, which was remade in Telugu as Chinnarayudu, which was released in 1992. Yesterday, the other day when our colleagues were mentioning about this, I could recall that film. The film was excellent with emotions, drama. It's a fantastic film. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation and being here. And also the guests of honor, Mr. Gopi Krishna and Mr. Saravanan, for accepting our invitation, gracing this occasion in spite of their busy schedule. And I'm glad to inform you that the multimedia animation program at VIT is one of the most popular program. The program was initiated during 2011. Our curriculum was designed to cater the need of the industry and to create the professionals in the area of multimedia and animation. With the help of visionary management, we are proud to say that we have a state-of-art infrastructure facilities that are on par with industry standards. We have a sophisticated green mat studio, drawing and art lab, still cameras, tripods, reflectors, filters, shotguns. These are all infrastructure facilities what we have. Similarly, the software such as Nuke, Autodesk Maya, Adobe Master Collection, these are all the software that we have which is on par with the industry standards. This right combination of infrastructure, faculty expertise, well-designed curriculum, and industry-oriented pedagogy are making our program as one of the unique program in the country and getting a reputation. All our courses are lab-oriented courses and project-oriented courses, but not their theory-based courses. In addition to the curriculum, we equip our students with several value addition programs such as 2D animation, then stop motion animation, cartoon art, DSLR photography, then flash animation, art college, Photoshop, and several hackathons were conducted in the benefit of students. And also last year we have conducted a conclave, the first in series, and the present event is the second in such series. And in this particular two-day event, we have planned several activities including the expert talks, product demos, art competitions, photography, short film screening, and then various interactive sessions with the experts. And I'm glad to say that there are about 80 students from Lovely Professional University. They are participating remotely in this particular conclave. In addition to the friends from China, and we have conducted last week, we have about 30 students from GDUT who have undergone a course, and they also have participated. You can see all the art collages that are displayed there. They are all done by our the Chinese students who have left day before yesterday, and in fact they felt that they should have been here for this 2-day program. And in addition to this, in order to equip our students, we are conducting several series of events, and we have MOU with several universities abroad. One is with the Wuhan University and the Guangdong University, China, and our faculty members, they are going there regularly to teach several courses, and the students from these universities are regularly coming here, and a batch of students are sitting in front of us undergoing a course for a semester duration. And with this type of exposure to the industry and also the skills, our students, we are proud to say that they are really doing good. On par with engineering students, the students are getting jobs. A few days back, one of our alumni who passed out in 2018, Mr. Raghavendra, he got a job as graphic designer in a company called Mobac, who is in Bangalore, for about 3.5 lakh, which is a startup salary given by the service sector, IT service sector, to our BTech students. And also, our students are placed well as a graphic designers, artists, and several skills in Accugen, Singapore, Ubisoft, Pune, MPC Studios, Bangalore, Baiju, Sinau, Johnson Carter, and several other film industry and everywhere. And also, we are also proud to say that one of our alumni who passed out in 2015, Mr. Sanjay, who is currently working in the MPC Studios, Bangalore, he and his team have worked for a film called Jungle Book, which I'm sure everyone would have been seen. So that team for the visual effects have got an Oscar award, which you might have seen everywhere. So this credit goes to the infrastructure facilities that what we have, the expert faculty, and the training that they have taken. So thank you very much for patience listening on all this. I would like to conclude with a Tirukural saying that Tottanai Thurum Manarkeni Mandarku Kattanai Thurum Arivu. This is the place which we say, as per the Tirukural, water will flow from a well in the sand in the proportion to the depth to which this well is dug, and the knowledge will flow in the proportion to one's learning. VIT is such a place one can learn and one can grow. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
We are extremely happy and excited to have the most respected and renowned film director of all times here today. He has worked with the favorite stars like superstar Rajnikant, Kamal Haasan, and many more. Sir has given us wonderful movies that have stayed in our hearts forever. And it's an honor and pride to have him here as the chief guest of Magix 2018. Let's all put our hands together and welcome Kalaimamani Dr. R.V. Udayakumar sir. Now, we request our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. G. Vishwanathan sir, to honor the lifetime achiever, the one who has dedicated his life for the cinema industry, Kalaimamani Dr. R.V. Udayakumar sir. Thank you, sir.
Today, we are extremely blessed blessed to have another wonderful guest, Mr. Saravana Rangaraj, an idol of South Indian television industry, a man behind several wonderful television shows, a sparkling television director. Sir, we are thankful for your gracious presence today. Now, we request the Dean of School of Information Technology and Engineering, Dr. Ashwani Kumar Cherukuri, to honor our guest, Mr. Saravana Rangaraj.
Thank you, sir. And now, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the great film editor here with us. He is an esteemed personality and well known through his distinguished works such as Dora, Varki and Padinettan Kilvanbadu, Tani Oruvan, and much more. He is none other than the most promising editor, Mr. Gopi Krishna. And now, I request the head of the Department of Multimedia, Dr. Lakshmi Priya ma'am, to honor our guest. We take this opportunity to thank our radio partner, Siragugal, for being a part of this wonderful conclave. Now, we would like to request Mr. S. Bharat, the Joint Director of Siragugal, to honor our esteemed Chancellor, Dr. G. Vishwanathan. Sir. Now, Mr. Bharat will also honor our Kalai Mamani, Dr. R.V. Uday Kumar sir. Now we request Mr. Bharat also to honor Saravana Rangarajan sir. Now we request Mr. Bharat to honor Mr. Gopi Krishna sir. Thank you, Mr. Bharat.
Would there be an event without audio or video? Especially when multimedia department is organizing an event? So here we go. We present to you a short AV about the sparkling television director, Mr. Saravana Rangaraj.
quality of voice ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு.
We invite Mr. Saravanan Raviraj to grace us with his words.
தமிழ் தலைவணக்கம். தலைமையின் தமிழ் வணக்கம். ஆனவர்களுக்கு என் அன்பான வணக்கம். தமிழில் பேசுகிறதா இங்கிலீஷில் பேசுகிறா ஒரு பெரிய டெபேட்டே நடந்தது. ஒருவேளை நேஷ்னல் ஆந்தம் போட்டிருந்தீங்கன்னா இங்கிலீஷில் பேசியிருப்பேன். தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு போட்டதுனால தமிழில் பேசுறது பெட்டர்னு நினைக்கிறேன். I sincerely apologize for other students who comes from other states and country for speaking a language which you don't understand. But often நான் சத்யம் தேட்டரில் போயிட்டு நல்ல கொரியன் படம்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கேன் புரியாமல். அப்படி என் ஸ்பீச்சையும் நீங்கள் கொஞ்ச நேரம் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஆக்சுவலாக வீட்டு காலேஜ் கேம்பஸ் வரும்போது ஒரு ஞாபகம் வந்தது. நான் VTUவில் படிக்கணும்னு சொல்லி 2000 வந்து இன்ஜினியரிங் அப்ளை பண்ணேன். எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலாக சீட்டு கிடைக்கல. சீட்டு அப்ளை பண்ண நானே இந்த லெவலுக்கு வரேன்னா உள்ளே படிக்கிறீங்களாம் கண்டிப்பாக எனக்கு பெரிய லெவலில் அப்படின்னு. விஸ்காம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு டிஎஃப்டி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் நான் வந்து எப்பவுமே அசிஸ்டன்ஸாக எடுத்துக்க மாட்டேன், இல்லை என் டீம்னு எடுத்துக்க மாட்டேன். அது ஒரு வகையான ஒரு பொறாமை தான். நம்மளோட நிறைய கொஸ்டின் கேட்பாங்க, கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நிறைய கேட்பாங்க. சாருக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் அவங்கள பார்த்தா ஒரு பயம் இருக்கும். எனக்கு அந்த பயம் எப்பயும் நான் விஸ்காம் படிக்கலான்றது ஒரு இன்ஃபீரியராக ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்கள கூட வச்சுக்கிட்டா என்ன ப்ளஸ்ன்னு ஒரு கட்டத்துக்கு மேலே இன்டர்ன்ஷிப்லாம் வந்தாங்க. ஆக்சுவலாக அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க கூட இருக்கும்போது உண்மையிலே அது ஒரு பெரிய பலம்னு அப்புறம் புரிஞ்சுட்டேன். இப்போலாம் தேடி நான் வந்து விஸ்காம் படிக்கிற பசங்களை தான் கூப்பிட்டு சேர்த்துருக்கேன். பிகாஸ் அப்கிரேட் பண்ணுறது வந்து உங்களை மாதிரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் தான் வந்து இன்றைக்கி அப்கிரேட்டடாக இருக்கீங்க. எங்களை விட நிறைய படிக்கிறது முக்கியம் இல்லை, பட் அதை தாண்டி அதை எக்ஸிக்யூஷன் பண்ணுறதுல வந்து நம்மளோட ஆர்வத்தை காட்டணும். முதல்லலாம் இன்ஜினியரிங் படிக்கும்போது நான் விஸ்காம் அப்ளை பண்ணணுன்னு ஆசைப்பட்டப்போ எங்கள் வீட்டில் விஸ்காம்ன்ற ஒரு கோர்ஸ் இருக்கிறதே தெரியாது. ஆக்சுவலாக இப்போயும் எத்தனை பேர் வந்து பேரண்ட்ஸோட ஃபுல் சப்போர்ட்டோட இங்கே விஸ்காம் எடுத்துருக்கீங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. பட் ஆனால் இன்றைக்கி வந்து ஒய்ட் நாலேஜ் இருக்குது. விஸ்காம்க்குன்ற அந்த பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் வந்து இன்றைக்கி பெருசாக வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ இங்கே எத்தனோ பேர் ஃபிலிம் மேக்கர் ஆகணுன்ற கனவோடு வந்திருப்பீங்க. அப்போ இருக்க ஃபிலிம் மேக்கர்ஸ்லாம் கேட்டிங்கன்னா பார்ட் டைமாக நான் ஹோட்டலில் வேலை பார்த்தேன், அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய ஃப்ளாஷ்பேக்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கும். பட் இன்றைக்கி அந்த சர்வைவல் பிரச்சனையும் உங்களுக்கு இல்லை. ஃபிலிம் மேக்கர்ஸ்க்கும் பார்ட் டைமாக மீடியாவில் வேலை இருக்குது. ஸோ மீடியாவில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கவங்களுக்கும் உங்களுக்கு மீடியாவில் வேலை இருக்குது. ஸோ எனிவே நீங்கள் சஃபர் ஆகாமல் உங்கள் ஃப்யூச்சர்ஸ் உங்கள் ட்ரீம்ஸை நோக்கி போகிறதுக்கான எல்லா பிளாட்ஃபார்மும் இருக்குது. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி உங்களோட இன்ட்ராக்டிவ் செஷன் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் வச்சுருக்கேன். ஸோ மீட் யூ அகைன். தேங்க்ஸ்.
Thank you, sir. We have another treat for your eyes. We present to you a short AV about the promising editor, Mr. Gopi Krishna.
செத்தவெல்லாம் ஆவியா இருப்பாங்க, அவங்களும் இந்த பேய் பண்ணிவாங்க. பதில் தெரியல. ஹாலிவுட்ல பேய் படம் எடுக்கணும் இது பதில் தெரியாதா?
P. Krishna sir to grace us with his words.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். சினிமாவுக்கு லாங்குவேஜ் ஒரு பிரச்சனை இல்லை, அதனால் நான் தமிழில் பேசினாலும் எல்லாருக்கும் புரியும். ஸோ அது ஒரு பெரிய ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்காதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா எல்லா லாங்குவேஜ் மொழியும் பார்க்கும்போதும் எனக்கு தெலுங்கே தெரியாது, ஆனால் தெலுங்கு படம் ஃபஸ்ட் எடிட் பண்ணிட்டேன். மலையாளமே தெரியாது, மலையாளம் ஃபிலிம் எடிட் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ கன்னடம் தெரியாது, கன்னட ஃபிலிம் எடிட் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஸோ அதனால் அது ஒரு பெரிய ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது. பேசுகிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான ஒரு விஷயம். ஏன்னா பேக் ஸ்டேஜ்லேயே இருந்தாச்சு, ஃப்ரண்ட் ஸ்டேஜுக்கு வர்றது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். சார் வந்து என்னோடய சீனியர் காலேஜில், உதயகுமார் சார். அவரோட படங்கள்லாம் பார்த்து தான் நாங்கள் நிறையா விஷயங்கள் எம்ஜிஆர் ஃபிலிம் அண்ட் டிவி இன்ஸ்டியூட் ஆஃப் தமிழ்நாடு, இந்தியாவில் இருக்கிற பெஸ்ட்டு கவர்மெண்ட் ஃபிலிம் இன்ஸ்டியூட்டில் செகண்ட் பிளேஸில் இருக்கிற ஒரு காலேஜ். புனேக்கும் அதுக்கு மட்டும்தான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு போட்டி அதிகமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த காலேஜுக்குள்ள சீட் கிடைக்கிறதுங்கிறது வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான ஒரு விஷயம். அதுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய போராட்டம், அதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்க்ரீன் டே தனியாக எழுதணும். அந்த இன்ஸ்டியூட்டில் படிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா அந்த ஸ்க்ரீன் டேலாம் இங்கே தேவையில்லை அப்படிங்கிறது எனக்கு தெரியும். ஸோ அப்படி ஒரு காலேஜில் நீங்கள் படிக்கிறீங்க, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமான ஒரு விஷயம். என்னென்னா என்னுடைய வில்லேஜ் அப்படிங்கிற இடத்துல இந்த காலேஜ் தெரியாது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு இப்படி ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறதே சுத்தமாக எங்களுக்குலாம் தெரியாது. நிறைய ஒரு கடத்தில் காலேஜ்லாம் தேடி ஃபிலிம் இன்ஸ்டியூட் இப்படிலாம் தேடி வரும்போது கேள்விப்பட்ட பேர் தான் விஐடி. ஸோ இப்போ ரீசன்ட் டேஸில் நிறைய பேர் இங்கே இருக்கிற விஸ்காம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் நிறைய பேர் அப்ரோச் பண்ணும்போது நிறைய பேரை நான் மீட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஸோ இதோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க, அப்போ பிரம்மாண்டமாக இருக்கும். என்னென்னா ஒரு ஃபிலிம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு நம்ம தேடி போகிற, அதாவது கற்றுக் கொடுக்குறது ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. ஃபேஸ்புக் யூஸ் பண்ண தெரியும் அப்படின்னா அடுத்த 10வது நிமிஷம் நம்மளுக்கு எடிட்டிங் சொல்லி கொடுத்து போயிடும். மிஷின் ஒரு மேட்டரே கிடையாது இன்றைக்கி இருக்கிற சுச்சுவேஷனில். ஸோ அதோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கெயின் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் அந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை புரிஞ்சிக்கிறதுக்குமான டைம் வந்து அது 1 இயராக கூட இருக்கலாம், 15 இயர்ஸாக கூட இருக்கலாம், இல்லை 30 இயர்ஸாக இருக்கலாம். 30 இயர்ஸாகவே அசிஸ்டண்டாக இருக்கிற எடிட்டர்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க, 1 இயரில் எடிட்டர் ஆனவங்க நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அது புரிஞ்சிக்கிறதுக்கான இடம் நமக்கு ஃபஸ்ட்டு தேவை. அந்த இடம் உங்களுக்கு விஐடி அமைச்சு கொடுத்துருக்கு. இதில் காசு கொடுத்து படிக்கிறோம் அப்படிங்கிறத விட நம்ம தேடி போகிற விஷயம் நமக்கு கிடைச்சதா அப்படின்னா அதுதான் ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம். அது உங்களுக்கு இந்த இடத்துல ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக கிடைச்சிருக்கு, அதை யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. 2வது விஷயம், இவங்க சொல்லிக் கொடுப்பாங்க, இது பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம வெயிட் பண்ணோம்னா கண்டிப்பாக நம்ம அப்படியே அதே ஸ்டேஜிலே தான் இருப்போம். இந்த இடத்துக்குள்ள நிறையா விஷயங்கள் இருக்கும், அது புதஞ்சிருக்கும், அதை நம்ம தான் தேடி போக வேண்டிய சுச்சுவேஷன் இருக்கும். பிகாஸ் என்னென்னா இவங்களோட இந்த புக்ஸும், இங்கே இருக்கிற மெட்டீரியல், இங்கே இருக்கிற கேமரா, அது கூட உங்களோட சின்ன ஆயுதம் தான். அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி அதை என்னவா மாற்ற போகிறீங்க அப்படிங்கிறது. எங்கள் ஃபிலிம் இன்ஸ்டியூட்டை பொறுத்தவரையிலும், எம்ஜிஆர் ஃபிலிம் இன்ஸ்டியூட்டை பொறுத்தவரையிலும் வெறும் செவுறு மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். அங்கே இருக்கிற புக்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப பாழடைஞ்சு போன ஒரு, ஏன்னா ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட் காலேஜுக்குள்ளே என்ன இருக்கும், ஆனால் அது உள்ளே தேடினீங்கன்னா அது உள்ளே தான் சுரங்கமே இருக்குது. அதை படித்து அதை தேடி போய் படித்தவங்க மட்டும்தான் இன்னைக்கு இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற இந்தியன் சினிமாக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற லீடிங்கில் இருக்கிற அத்தனை கேமராமேனும் அந்த இன்ஸ்டியூட்டுக்குள்ளே அந்த பாழடைஞ்ச புத்தகத்துக்குள்ளே தேடி எடுத்தது தான். ஸோ அங்கே கிடைக்கிற எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். ஸோ அதனால் இந்த இடத்த கரெக்டாக யூஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்களுக்கான பிளேஸ் ரொம்ப நிறையா இருக்குது. ஜாப் அப்படிங்கிறதும் இப்போது தமிழ் சினிமாக்குள்ளே அவ்வளோ ஜாப் இருக்குது, கரெக்டான பர்சன்ஸ் இல்லை. என்ன பிரச்சனை அப்படின்னா மணி தான் ஒரு பெரிய விஷயம். இங்கே இப்போது கிராஃபிக் டிசைன் அந்த ஃபீல்டு அப்படிங்கிறது தமிழ்லேயும் தெலுங்குலேயும் இந்த சவுத் இந்தியாவுக்குள்ளே அவ்வளோ பெரிய மார்க்கெட் இருக்குது. இங்கே வந்து நிறையா அவுட் சோர்சிங் ஒர்க் மட்டும்தான் பண்ணுறாங்க, இந்தியன் ஒர்க் யாருமே பண்ணுறதில்ல. பிகாஸ் மணி பேஸ். ஸோ இந்தியன் ஒர்க் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு இங்கே இருக்கிற படங்களுக்கு இப்போ ஆட்கள் கிடையாது. ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு கம்பெனிலையுமே ஒவ்வொரு கிராஃபிக் டிசைன்லேயும் 2 இது இருக்குது. ஸோ இங்கே இந்தியாவுக்குன்னு அவங்க ஒரு டீம் வச்சுட்டாங்க, ஸோ ஃபாரினுக்கு ஒரு டீம் வச்சுட்டாங்க, அவுட் சோர்ஸ்க்குன்னு ஒரு டீம் வச்சுட்டாங்க. ஸோ இதுக்கு இருக்கிற பர்சன்ஸ் ரொம்ப கம்மி.
அதோட மார்க்கெட் வந்து இன்னைக்கு அவ்வளோ க்ரோர் இங்கே டர்ன் ஓவர் ஆகிட்டுருக்கு இந்த சென்னைக்குள்ளே மட்டும். ஸோ நீங்கள் அதை தெளிவாக ஒரு விஷயம் பிளான் பண்ணுங்கள், இந்த இடத்துக்கு போகணும், இதை தான் கரெக்டாக பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுல பிளான் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ அதை அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடியும். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, sir.
Let's take a short look at our archive of the legendary works from the lifetime achiever, Kalaimamani, Dr. R.V. Udayakumar sir.
சட்டப்படி தப்புன்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியாதா? எது சரி எது தப்புன்னு எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. சும்மா ஒருத்தர் வானவராய் அந்த வேணும் வானவராய்.
Sir, now we invite you to address the gathering.
பல லட்சக்கணக்கான lakhs and lakhs of people கல்வி அறிவுக்காக தான் தேர்ந்தெடுக்க போகிற கல்லூரி விஐடியாக இருக்க வேண்டும். lakhs and lakhs of people who always aspire to join VIT institution, which has been the #1 institution in India. The proud idol of this college is Honorable G. Vishwanathan ji. I am really very proud to be here because I heard so much about these institutions. Lots of people coming for me to recommend to join in this institution where I don't know anybody here. So I myself took a note that I should go to this college and meet Mr. Vishwanathan ji. Things has happened so easily because of you. Today is SRM Vendar's birthday. I was about to go and greet him. Today we had some meeting because I am a vice president of Film Directors Association of South India. Because he is giving 15 college students, 15 seats for all our directors' families. Free of it, free, without any fees. So all my directors yesterday, all of a sudden they told, no, I have promised. There is one more leader for education. I have to go and respect that institutions and students. So I am here with you. It's a very, very happiest day for me. And Mr. Raja is the reason for me to come to this college. And I thank Mr. Raja. He's been pestering me for more than 6 months, 3 months, and he was telling what all is happening. If you come, it would be better and all that. So I am here to thank my fellow partners from the film industry. My brother, a very popular, not only TV director, he is a film director also, Mr. Saravanan Rangaraj. And my college junior, and now with his work he became senior, by the way he edits. And I wish my Thambi to be with me to grace this function, beautiful function, Magic's 18. And Dr. Ashwini Kumar Cheruki, Dean. Really, మీరు చాలా బాగా మాట్లాడండి. తమిళ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ కూడా చాలా బాగా. తొట్టనై తూరు మనకెంగి మాందరికి కట్టనై తూరు మరియు fantastic. And as my brother told, we see lots of foreign movies without even understanding the language. That I understand the story in a different way. My friend will understand the story in a different way. I tell they both are lovers. No, sir, they are sisters. So whatever English is okay. So when we started studying in the film institute, we used to see lots of movies, foreign movies. Every day we have to see one movie. So just imagine any parent who is sending their students, their kids to the college, what will they expect? Go and study well. And my father asked me once when I was studying in the film institute, what are you doing there? Whenever I call to the phone line, people say you are seeing cinema. How are you going to come up in life? I told my Papa, seeing movie itself is education for me. I have to watch a movie. No, urupudave mattingada. Cinema paathutte. So these are all the notions those people who had, people going for cinema and all. And now they call it in a different name, media. So you are all right quietly sitting. You can watch movies, you can watch short films, you can watch TV serials, you can watch news, and anything in visual, which will gain you more and more knowledge. Let me come back to my own language. என் பிரியத்திற்கும் பாசத்திற்கும் உரிய கதாநாயகர்களே, கதாநாயகிகளே, my dear heroes and heroines, this is the better way of addressing you, I think. No heroes, huh? Nobody is clapping. Nobody. Okay, the art of visual communication or whatever it is, or media or multimedia, there are lots of growth when it started as a cinema or a documentary in the early days. When cinema was found by using celluloid, by edition, the different countries used in a different way to exploit the visions. The cinema or the visuals developed in a different ways. In India, at that time, when Mahatma Gandhi was fighting against the English, British people, even before that, when film came to India, they watch the people who are going to sit in the street and they see Burrakada and they watch this Ramayana on the street corner, people will be performing and watching. So they started shooting that. That's how film developed, the silent movies. And in America, they started shooting beautiful events and histories. And in Europe was suffering because of the Second World War. Even at that time, one of the best producer in the world ever seen is Hitler. You know, Hitler is the beautiful lover of cinema. He loved cinema very much because he had a camera woman called Leni Riefenstahl, who is supposed to be his lover. She made him think about how to make a movie through which you can make all the people to come behind you to support the Nazism. So she made a movie as a propaganda movie for Hitler. So film started like that, Germany. And afterwards Russia. Russia at the same time, Russia was suffering because of Tsarism. Tsar king supposed to be very bad, toughest, worse than even Hitler. So Lenin and others were fighting against these bureaucrats and these bourgeois, so-called bourgeois and all. So there, how they used camera. That camera, what you see or hear, that was film camera. You can shoot and you can use some chemicals there and you can wash that by using the camera itself. And the camera itself can be used as a projector. The first movie camera was found out like that only. So in Russia, they had this material, film they have, what they will shoot. If they come out, they will shoot with gun. The Tsars. So these people were against, they are gathering all the public to fight against the Tsar kingdom. So they used to shoot how Tsar kingdom is doing, how many people they are killing, what are the nonsense things they are doing and all. They used to shoot by using the hidden cameras. And later on they developed it. While moving on the moving trains, they used to just put a screen, they show our brothers are killed because of this Tsar kingdom now. That is called Kino Nitalia, Cine News Magazine. So film developed like that in Russia. But in India, we went to Ramayana, Mahabharata. We wanted good stories and duets, songs, which continue still today. So, in totality, the film media is been slowly going out and digital media is coming. Now it is the dominant stage of digital media. And I do remember, even in Kambaramayan and Mahabharata, in our ancient literatures, they have written about the science. You might have seen Hanuman photograph of taking the huge mountain and flying. It's happening now because of digital media. Is it? So they have imagined long back. And in Ramayana, Sita used to ask him, how do you say that you are a friend of Rama? He opens his heart and so Rama is inside. So all this graphics has been done early. So go through the art, you will find science. So it's a miraculous thing. It's a research-oriented thing, that's what I am telling. So in this multimedia, you have lots of opportunities. There are only few colleges which teaches making movies. And making movies alone is not multimedia. Whatever you imagine, you can bring it on the screen. You can draw it, you can make it move, you can make it real. That is animation. There is another stage, animatronics. Can anyone know about that? Do any of you know about animatronics? Animatronics. Okay. You saw Daigar. Any of you saw Daigar? Yendran 1? You have not seen? யாரோ எழுந்திரிச்சு நான் பார்த்தேன்னு சொல்லுங்கப்பா. How the head of Yendran after cut, it will move, it will talk. That is animatronics. The hand. When the hand is cut, even that hand will do some action. One great animatronic scientist, Stan Winston, he worked for all such movies, including Yandra. So you go deep into this, there are several things. There are several innovative, creative thinkings and means and worked out projects you can see if you are involving yourself with all these things. It is not just what is the subject, what you are studying on the book. That is not alone is enough for you. You watch movies. So I request your professor, HOD and Dean, every day you should watch some visual treat, either movie or a documentary or anything. You should have one class and you have to discuss on that. How it is made and what is the flaw, what is the plus point, and the usage of camera and the usage of graphics. Everything you have to discuss. One fine day, definitely you will become a big, good maker. Just don't follow only Tamil cinema. Hero is getting involved with in love with the heroine and going around the trees and singing the song. Don't be carried away by all this. That is our Indian cinema. I want you people to grow into the international level, because this is such an institution who wants, and our Vishwanathan ji wants all the people to put it in a different level. So definitely you students will bring a very great pride to this institution by way of achieving your goal in the future. Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Now, this is the time we are all waiting for. We would like to welcome our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. G. Vishwanathan, sir, to deliver the presidential address.
Our chief guest of today, Kalaimamani Dr. Uday Kumar. Our guest of honor, Mr. Saravanan. Another guest of honor, Mr. Gopi Krishna. Dean, Dr. Ashwini Kumar, Professor Lakshmi Priya, Professor Surendran, other members of the teaching faculty, my dear students, very good afternoon to you. It's indeed an important occasion today when we are meeting at the time of MAGEX 18. I think this is the second edition of the conclave, and you have great personalities of the media here. I remember when we had interaction with China. They started coming about 10 years ago. And one batch, we have 13 partner universities in China. And we have the Chinese Language Center here in India. It's called Confucius Institute in other countries. In India, it's called Chinese Language Center, which is located in Vellore. We are responsible for conducting examinations in Chinese language for the entire country. And the batch of students who came here, they insisted that they want to study media. We didn't have a department at the time. We didn't have studies, animation and multimedia. Then we thought of starting one, and it's now 8 years ago. And we started. In fact, we were struggling for faculty. We didn't have anybody to teach multimedia at the time. In fact, we engaged a company from Chennai to come and teach animation multimedia. Now we have a full-fledged department with 14 professors. I would like to congratulate the department for achieving this in a short time. And another achievement is to bring all of them together on stage. My connection with the film field is only two personalities. Our Kalaimamani Uday Kumar said you are all heroes and heroines. I know one hero, MGR, M.G. Ramchandran, and one heroine, Jayalalitha. These are the two politically connected with me the last so many years. Otherwise, I am a fan of cinema. I often see, but I don't get time. I see in car or at home. Cinema once was not only a medium for entertainment. Ranna, Kalaignar Karunanidhi, etc., they used it for propagating ideals on social reform, economic reform, eradication of caste, etc. This was the part of the cinema industry. It started 50 years ago. I think probably Parasakti was the first movie which carried all the messages. Then Anna's Velaikari, etc. came. Now I don't know whether how many films are interested in spreading the messages which is necessary for society. But anyway, it's a good medium to make you familiar and also to take your ideas to the people. And as I told you, now once this started for the Chinese students, then Indian students also wanted to join. And then we started admitting Indian students. I think to begin with, we had only about 30 students from China who were studying animation and multimedia. Now it has become a full-fledged department. Probably it can become a school of its own also. And we are competitors to China, and also we cooperate with China. Competitors in the sense that we are the two largest countries of the world. China is number one, the most populous country of the world with 141 crores. And we are only next to it. We are only 7 crores less. In fact, in another 7 years, we will overtake China in population. Because they brought one-child norm and the population went down. Now, 2-3 years ago, they went back to 2. I am told this year they have gone to 3. But the people don't want the second or third child, like India. Of course, now also here also the well-to-do families, they don't want more than 1 or 2. And now China has an advantage than India. Basically, we have 18% of the world population, India. But we have only 2.5% of the available land. China has an advantage. Their territory is 300% more than ours. Ours is about 30 lakh square kilometers. China is more than 90 lakh square kilometers. So they have enough land available in China compared to India. So there's an advantage, and also fresh water. They get more fresh water than ours. And whenever we get fresh water, we lose it and then agitate about it. That's India. That's Tamil Nadu. Anyway, I'm not going to that subject. And the animation, we have to compete with the world. Our leaders of the industry, Kalaimamani Udaya Kumar, Mr. Saravanan and Gopi Krishna was talking about the world cinema. In India, it is Bombay and Mumbai and Chennai. These are the two big centers compared to other small centers. And of course, we have to compete with Hollywood. And it is the biggest center of the world, not only in producing movies, but in technology, in digital media. Now, as our chief guest said, we are introducing more and more technology in film field, in television, etc. Augmented reality, virtual reality. Because in my days, when I was a student, we had never had any of these things. There was no television, only cinema was available, only black and white. I think my first, those days, we used to witness only black and white cinema. That was how it started. Now we have gone many steps ahead of many countries. India is one of the leading countries in production of movies and in television. And I'm happy that all the three have accepted our invitation to be here. It's a great inspiration for you because as our Udaya Kumar said, and he wanted to study here. It is Saravanan who wanted to study here. He could not get a seat, but he has come as a guest. That's a big achievement in his life. And you should aim high and no wastage of time. Learn many things. I want our guests to accommodate you in Chennai. You can go and visit them. Find out what is happening in real life, because here you will learn mostly theories, and practical problems you will come to know when you go to Chennai and learn from them. I'm happy that your teachers have taken the initiative in bringing these people here. And another, our partner in radio, Siragigal Radio. I would like to thank him for taking the initiative in supporting this conclave, and only today I told that he is from Gudiyatham, my own place. I studied in Gudiyatham, my school, and he has come from that place. Education makes all the difference. Education, because otherwise you will be somewhere. Education gives you it is so powerful that it can take a man at no height. you can even climb Everest. That's in your life, that's all possible if you have enough education, competent education, and you must have a will to go above others, and that's what we try to teach in VIT. We want to produce our student for the world market, not just go and serve, but they should be able to command respect. And if they want, they can become employers. They can have their own companies, startups, and later on you can become an entrepreneur, a businessman or industrialist. That's what we want. And in this field, you can become, either you can become like Saravanan or Uday Kumar or Gopi Krishna. Ultimately, you should have on your own. You should stand on your own, and you should be able to make a difference between ordinary people and yours. That's what we want our VITians to become in future life. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your wise words.
It's time to start something grand. Just trust the magic of beginnings. We take this moment and as an opportunity to thank our co-sponsors, Zebronics Private Limited, for their support and sharing with us the pride of recognizing our competition winners and experts. We now invite Magix 2018's coordinator, Professor Surendra K, to express the word of thanks.
Esteemed dignitaries, attendees, fellow faculties and staff members, and my colleagues, students from VITians and students from external institutions, I welcome you all for this inauguration. Actually, I've been waiting for this moment because I'm humbled and honored because I've been given the job of thanking people which I've been waiting for the past several weeks. Because that's what I'm so thankful to everyone. To start with, let's imagine Magix 2018 is a wagon which couldn't be moved. We have actually arrived in Magix 2018 at this very moment because there were several strong hands which actually pushed. To start with, our Honorable Chancellor's management that actually laid a road and made us a path so that the wagon can be able to move and all the others can be able to see a path to follow. Thank you very much, our Honorable Chancellor sir, for making this happen. Thank you very much. And we recognize everybody who is actually at the dais. You guys know that I know that everybody knows how busy they are. They might have a schedule to follow a schedule. Okay, that's how busy they are. The thing is, I would like to thank Kalaimamani Dr. R.V. Uday Kumar sir to come all the way from Chennai in midst of his busyness. And he's said me out. Right. So sir is saying he's not very busy. That shows his humbleness, but we understand it. Okay, and thank you so much for coming all the way, sir. And we've been humbled by your presence in this Magix 2018. And the other one of the strong hands is I would like to thank Mr. Gopi Krishna, sir, who's a guest of honor of Magix 2018. In the middle of your all works that you are supposed to do, that you are here spending the time with us. So it's right. Sir saying he's busy actually. Sir, from our eyes, everybody. From where I'm seeing, you guys are absolutely busy, and that's why I'm trying to thank you guys because we know. And I would like to thank Mr. Saravanan Rangaraja sir, the guest of honor, for being here and sharing. And it's an honor to have you, sir. And the legend behind the screens, now we can able to see you and share your knowledge with us. Thank you very much. And I would like to thank our Dean of the School of Information Technology and Engineering, Dr. Ashwini Kumar Selguri, for arranging everything and helping us and suggesting us in order to arrive at this very sweet moment. And I would like to thank our HOD ma'am, Dr. Lakshmi Priyana, the HOD of Multimedia, for just arranging and suggesting everything. And wherever we actually stuck, you were there for us. And thank you very much for being there. And I would like, not the least actually, I would like to thank all the faculties, and especially I'm very proud of my team. Well, the thing is, I would like to thank especially 3 or 4 people with the permission of the people who are actually sitting at dais, especially Professor Raja, because all are here, as Sudhir Kumar said, all are here because of you, sir. Thank you very much. And I would like to thank my co-coordinator, Professor Vivek. Thanks for being here for all the time. And Professor Praveen, I would like to thank you very much for being there. All the work he has started doing his work from his last semester, so thanks very much for that. And Professor Anurag, last but not the least, you have made everything, as you can see, in over a night. People, they say the thing is, function like this won't happen overnight, but we almost made it, so I'm kind of proud about it. Thanks very, very much. And I would like to thank the crew, the videography, and all the people, people from the press, people from the yearbook. And I would like to thank everybody who's present here for making this moment happen. And we have a lot of things to learn in the other, for example, this afternoon and tomorrow. So please make use of this time. And this function is for you, and the esteemed people are here because for you. So make use of the knowledge, and thank you very much. Thanks very much.
அன்பு மாணவர்களே, ஐயா அவர்கள் கேட்டுக்கொண்டதற்கு இணங்க அவர் என்ன சொன்னாரு, நீங்க போய் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்க, யூஸ் திஸ் பீப்புள் அண்ட் we are ready to take you with us and you come in group, either 15 people or 30 people together, you fix up the timing. I am ready to arrange you to take to the school. Either 1 day or 2 days, we have to sit and work out with our HOD and all that. You come in us, you will be taken. How the script is made, how the visuals are completed. Till then, we can just get a pass-through visit from the scriptwriter's desk to the final first copy. Even before the release of the movie, I can show you. Okay, so studio visits or sound recording or song recordings, everything professionally, how they are doing, how singers are singing, how musics are being mixed, how DTS is done, everything you can have. But you should inform me earlier, in group by group, not too much, 60, 70, 80 people, it will be, no one can see, no one can listen. Just group by group, just you fix up. Every week also, so I will talk to my colleagues who are right now very popular directors like Maniratnam or Gautam and people like that. They will definitely agree because I am president of all the directors. I can give you and nicely take you what is happening, because that will be a very big use for you from the floor to the finished products. Okay? On behalf of my brother Sarvanan also, he will take the studio where his entire programs are being rehearsed and done final output. Till then, he can take it. Definitely. I promise on behalf also. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Alright everyone, we've come to the end. Good luck and see you all around, because coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. Thank you.
Thank you.